today I want to thank everyone. I want to thank you watching today. I want to thank my returning subscribers. I want to thank everyone for always being there in Wellness Styles. You all are gorgeous. You all are awesome. God bless you guys. So guys, we have hit 80,000 subscribers. That means we have about 80,000 amazing family, because we are all family here. We all are sharing the same goal. Because if you're a lover of short hair, you would definitely be here, which you know I'm also a lover of short hair, and you know short hairstyles really lives here on this channel. I appreciate you because without you guys, we're not going to be here. Without you guys, we're not going to get 80k subscribers. So I'm here to give a shout out video to everyone, my returning subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I promise you guys I will not fail you guys. I will always bring out the trending, latest and sophisticated short hairstyles that will suit your personal style. God bless you guys. Stay up to wearing these styles. More beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video collections from the stable of Wendy Styles. Alright, so as heard from the horse's mouth, we just hit the 80k subscribers mark, and this is a very big news for us, and that's because we're bringing unique hairstyles like the one you're looking at right now straight to you. Alright, the styles we present here are actually very unique. The styles are meant to make you look astonishing, different, classy, all right, in different ways, if you ask me. Right, the stylist that we're presenting in this video is a very skilled stylist who knows its onions, knows how to, you know, bring out that perfect design, perfect style for his clients. And his name is Diego. All right, he's very good at what he does, and I am a fan of the type of pixie cuts that he gives to his client. They may look almost like the same kind of cuts, but the fact that it's very creative and it fits his client so much is why I am in for his style of cut. All right guys, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, turn on the little bell notification, let us know your mind you know, in the comment section, and you know, give this video a thumbs up, keep it locked to Wendy Styles, and every time we make a new upload you will be notified. All right guys, so till we meet again in our next upload. At this point we say ciao ciao.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way? And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your